Come along to Conguillio National Park.
After a beautiful but treacherous drive through the forest, we arrived at our camp spot right at the lake.
We spent the next few days kayaking and hiking through this pristine landscape. One of the hikes took us to a 1,800-year-old Araucaria tree. The trunk was so thick we couldn't reach around it. From here we switched countries once again. Back in Argentina, we headed south with several beautiful camp spots right on the river before we entered the Lanín National Park. The drive along the back roads of the park is stunning. We hiked along the river and explored caves where indigenous people used to live.
Before returning to civilization, we enjoyed the easy drive through the rest of the park.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.